Ready to unlock the secrets to rocking your first open house and turning those visitors into serious clients? First, nail the prep walk through the house with the homeowner, suggesting decluttering, depersonalizing, and staging key areas. Think fresh flowers, good lighting, and a welcoming atmosphere. Next, it's marketing time. Design eye-catching flyers with stunning photos and property highlights. Post them online, share them on social media, and put up directional signs leading to the house. Don't forget to notify your sphere of influence. On the big day, arrive early to set up. Place sign-in sheets near the entrance to capture contact information. Bake cookies, offer refreshments, and create a welcoming environment. Engage with every visitor. Ask questions to understand their needs and highlight the property's features that match. Be knowledgeable about the area and be able to answer any questions. Finally, follow-up is key. Send personalized emails or calls to thank visitors for attending and offer additional information. Keep nurturing those leads. Master these steps, and you'll be well on your way to hosting killer open houses that lead to happy clients and more sales. Good luck, and remember to subscribe for more new realtor tips.